Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. This is Game 3, April 14th, 2025. You heard about it. Here we are. Cryptids and Blizzard. Cryptids just played. They're going to be tired. This is Game 3. Somebody's got to do it every week, but this week it's the Cryptids. Play a fresh Blizzard team. Let's see what happens. Blizzard are probably going to come out hot and fresh. Let's see what happens. Hot, fresh, and ready, just like a Little Caesars pizza. This sponsorship program with Little Caesars. I still maintain that they could have called the Detroit Red Wings Stadium Little Caesars Palace, but maybe there was some kind of a copyright entanglement there. King picked some baseball swings, golf swings, hybrid swings in, and I heard the buzzer, so I'm up here. Blizzard notably without Darren Treves. However, they were humming earlier for sure without him, so this is not a single man team for sure. Here comes Ellenberger to tell you that. All right, 13 on the clock, about to start. Adam West leading the offensive charge, gets a shot on net. Nice hard shot. Goalie had to wake up early. Nice pass off the boards to Edinburgh. Thank you, Talvito. Barely making it alongside. Stillerman dumps a deep, looking for Talvito. Stillerman has the back. Right around Oliver, naturally. Oh, looking between the legs of West. Edinburgh. Stillerman calling for it. Over to King. King is going to blast it. Goal! Don't know how that even shot all the way through. Good shot by King. Well, quickly off to a 1-0 Blizzard lead. Just under a minute into play. Nice rip. Oh, nice play by Don. Slipped up, hits the girders. Yep. Face off. No icing on the play. Toby Bowling looking for it. Back to Aravante. Oh, beautiful play. Missed the net. Just missed by Joe Bowling. Pass Pink wide. Bristow missed it wide. Gets it deep. Joe Bowling looking for it. Nope. Cycles out of zone. King gets it out. Ooh, Bristow tries to read it. Still finds. Calvita finds it. Nice pass back to Bowling. 69. Nope. Ooh, deflected right in front. Brewster has it. That could have easily been a goal though. One Blizzard scored. Just over 4.5 left to play, or 9.5 left to play. Blasted. Up, still in zone. Hatter bodies him out. Back to. That's Bowling. Nobody able to get it through. Cleared all the way down for a nice save. Brewster brings it around. Blasted. Unable to get through. Flicks it out. Probably for an icing call. We have one pending. No icing on the play. Salinas goes back. And that by Oliver. King to Hare. Hare breaks up the play, looking for Boylan in front of the net. Finds him. Deflected slightly. Goalie has it. Ooh, big rip. Thought they had one. Still in. King rips it. Just wide behind the net. Steve Mulvihill rips it out. Bobbled in front. Cryptids still can't get it out. Finally over the line here. Dom has it. Rips it. In the net. Holy cow. We didn't even see it coming. just in front of the net. Jake Bowling still retrieving the puck. Gets it back to King. King brings it up. Ooh, stolen away by Joe Bowling. Bowling over to Toby Bowling. Intercepted by Edenburn. Edenburn looks for Telvito, finds him. Back to Edenburn, far side. King rips it. Just wide. Still in. Graves has it. Oh my God! He missed the open net. Oh my God. Oh. Happens to the best of us. Ugh. I feel for the guy. Man, that was brutal.
Oh my God.
I can't say I've never been there before.
As a goalie, I appreciate that.
Oh, absolutely. It makes your job easy.
That was a great save by me.
Another chance. No. Pass up to Edenburn. Grabs it. Deflected. Still in play. And the far side has it. Passes in the foreground. Edenburn. Claps it on net. And it's a goal! How did he not see that from that far away? He was not suspecting. Oh, man. I bet Class wants that one back. Robinson dumps it deep. Here has it, Bowling. Over the west, back to Bowling. Back in the corner, but still the Cryptids ball. That hit a body. Yep, offside call. Easy. There by Oliver. In front, deflected away, in the zone. Just pass over to Bowling. West looking to cut in front of the net. Bowling going all the way around. Trying to find Oliver, trying to find anyone. No. King finds it. Got Robinson, onside play. King finds Hare in front of that. Hare scores. dramatic fashion, that's the end of the first. 3-1 score. Blues lead. Cryptids are tired. They just played. They're really going to have to come back hard in the second. About to begin the second period. 3-1 Blues lead over the Cryptids. Still in, Bristow keep over the Toby bowling. Nice pass over to Ben bowling. All right, Blizzard shorthanded now. Time for the Cryptids to come back, see if they can do it.
There we go.
Out of play. Stick a penalty on Talvito. Yikes. 5-on-3 here. Or came out of the box. That's been well timed. Ooh, big save by Ben Platts. Okay, looking to make something happen shorthand here. Back and forth, back and forth. Nice pass there by Kuster. Up the boards by Aravante over to Yale. Yale looking for Graves in front of the net. No, Aravante. Graves still in front of the net. Aravante blast. Kuster has a chance. In the net! Yale screens him. Kuster scores. Deflected by Talvito. Oh, wide open net. Nope. Still nobody can find it. Kuster has her. Ring around. Graves, is he going to get there? No, Stillman first. Stillman dumps it deep. Had a shot just wide.
No.
Adder misses. Mulvihill giving chase. Ring around over to Dom. Dom ringing around over to West. West bowling. Over to Oliver. Oliver looking for a shot. Got Manning in front of it. Just wide. Still in. Shot on it. King has it. Off the boards. Back to Boylan. Boylan. Back to Betts. Betts fires. Blocked by Oliver. Nice play. Dunk deep. No icing. That's the Boylan. Pulls away with a nice. King ring wide. Look for Edenburn.
Hey, go! Towards the kid!
Wow. Deflected up. Hits the girders. Deflected by Polinas. Hare has it. Getting chased. Nope. Good tip by Joe Bowling there. Flip it up over to Toby. Toby with the shot. Nope. Look for the late man. Nobody's breaking. Except for Bristow. Nope. Hare intercepts. Bristow has it. Throws it deep. Nope. Go in. Tuesday keeps it in. Yep. Polinas carries it over. End of the second period. 3-2 scored. about to begin the third period. 13 minutes on the clock. Ice called. Moylan has it. With the point man. Finds Stolen. Rips it. Does not get to the goalie. Don has it. Don fires to Oliver. Oliver. Met by Stillman. Stillman battling. Moylan comes out looking for Edenburn. Icing. Mulvihill flips it just a little bit too high. Keaton go. Wow, coast to coast, big guy, wow. Nice hustle, Cryptids goal. 3-3, tie ball game, wow. Good hustle by Keaton. Bad shot.
Up! It's up! Do it up! Deep, dude!
Loose ball. Betts finds it. Looking for Polinas on the boards of the Hatter. Nope. Out by defense. Still in play. Toby finds it. Rips it deep. Dump in. Cryptids on side. Carmelini finds it. Look in the middle. Oh, finds Tony. Is it loose? It still is. Oh, hits post, I think, on that. Josh. You can just hear Polinas yelling for it. This is Polinas. Has an opportunity from Kings. Josh. Josh. Ooh, Kuster read the play. Nice job. It's out of play. Olkowski. Oh, nice play on the ball. Ooh, risky pass right in front of the net. Don keeps it in, then it's out. Out of offside, still offside, onside. Yep, good play by the referee. Good call by the referee. Graves looking for it in the corner. Tribbett comes out with it. Good pass. Good puck movement along the perimeter. For Telvito, no? Good shot by Edinburgh. Does not find the back of the net. Under 5.5 left in the game. Tie game 3-3. Telvito wins the draw. Back to Edinburgh. Stillman shoots it. Ooh, Telvito scores! A sliding, weird diving move. It works. Telvito scores. Clutch move. Just thinking about how it might be a shootout. Nope. All the way down again. Another icing call. It's played by Garrett Oliver. Betts with a flip up, finds Kuster flips it down to Ben Bowling. King. Good shot. Blasted. Deflected by the goalie. Comes up with it. Pass. Robinson intercept. Hare has it in front of the net. Ooh, big shot. What are you doing? You're playing that. Good hustle by Bristow, trying to make something happen. I think Yale was offside there. No call. Ooh, King able to get around all these guys. Wow. Goalie loses his stick. Team mobile help. Oh, he would be able to get around that defender. Offside. Onside. Patter throws it behind the net. Stillerman looking for Robinson. Intercepted by Mulvihill. Right in front. 2 shots on net. Nope. Toby looking for some more offense. Finds Dominic. Back to Yale, back behind the net. Puck still loose. Toby bowling has it. Looking for the high slap. Find the point. Dom, Ionotic. Shoots it. This way. Another shot. Point. Dear Lord. Oh, man. Wow, big flurry until the end of the game. Blizzard retained the victory 4-3 over the Cryptids. Really fought until the very end, they did. All right, Whitaker signing off.